Hello and welcome. This is Safa. In this video, we will learn about transfer functions and how to define them in MATLAB. We will also find zeros and poles of a linear system and analyze them. Finally, we will plot the pole-zero map to better understand the system behavior. Okay, here. A transfer function describes the relationship between a system's input and output, usually as a ratio of polynomials in S. In MATLAB, we use the TF command to define a transfer function. Okay, here we have define a simple transfer function MATLAB code. Okay, run and here. Okay, next finding a zero and poles. Zeros are values of S that make the numerator zero, and poles are values of S that make the denominator zero. The commands zero and pole allow us to find them easily. Okay, run zero and pole. Okay. The PZ map command plots the zeros and poles on the complex plan to visualize system behavior. Okay, run. And you can see here. So far, we will learn how to define a transfer function, find its zeros and poles, and visualize them in MATLAB. In upcoming videos, we will analyze system time responses. Okay, thanks for watching.